Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean the USB charging port on this device. So firstly, remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port and the water resistant. So I suggest to use an old toothbrush. Everyone have the old toothbrush at home, and it's the best tool to clean the connector and the safest tool to clean the connector. So as you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, if you have the cover, just take the cover off and take the brush in your hand. Then insert one part of the brush into the connector and just pry the dirt out. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.